Well, everyone would like a good idea on how to save on their taxes. So today we're going to talk about how not to pay capital gains on real estate. As always, I like to have this little disclaimer when we get into such topics. I am not a licensed real estate attorney, I'm not an IRS attorney, and I'm not a financial advisor. So please always seek professional help. These are my opinions and my opinions only, and I want you to seek professional counsel before you make any major decisions based on what's about to happen here. There are at least two ways to avoid falling into that short-term gains IRS tax bracket. Number one is defer the sale of your property for at least 12 months from the time that you buy it. Now that means you could A, let it sit, which is probably not a good idea, or B, could rent it out for at least 12 months. At any rate, make sure that you don't buy that property and then sell it within 12 months if you want to stay away from short-term capital gains tax. You got to hold it for at least 12 months. The second way to not pay short-term capital gains is to do a lease option. And then maybe part of that lease option is that they can't consummate their option to buy your property for at least 12 months. Maybe part of that lease option is that they have to perform at least 12 consecutive payments in a row before their option is valid. Maybe part of that lease option is that they have 14 months to come up with the rest of the down payment. Either way, let's just make sure that you postpone that sale for 12 months or longer, and that'll avoid the short-term capital gains bracket. The second way to avoid paying those taxes legally is to buy these properties in your 401k or your IRA. That's a surefire way not to have to pay taxes for a very long time, and maybe even not pay taxes at all. Because after all, isn't the best tax strategy defer, 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 die? Good job. For a free digital ebook, just click on the link below, and taxfreefuture.com will send you an ebook on how you can prosper deferring taxes legally and efficiently. There's a lot of things you can do, but most people just don't know. And knowledge is power, right? So go to taxfreefuture.com. These 37 little video vignettes are full of amazing tax strategies that are out of the box. You have to see them. So go, click on the link below, and get your free ebook from taxfreefuture.com. All right. That concludes this episode. If you like what we've been sharing, please hit that like button, and also feel free to share this with your friends and family.